You're listening to the Sporty Pod, and today this video is going to be about cricket, about IPL, and about Sunrisers Hyderabad. What is going wrong? Why are they last? Nobody expected Sunrisers Hyderabad to be on the last of the table. They are just a formidable side. They fight back so well. They have the mystery spinner Rashid Khan. They have David Warner. They have Johnny Bairstow. They have Kane Williamson, they have Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. What's going wrong at Sunrisers Hyderabad? Let's analyze, let's see what happens, and let's see what they can do, and let's try to build a formidable playing 11 in the end. So without any further ado, let's go. So 6 games, 1 win. Let's go one by one about what's going on. First game against KKR. Couldn't chase 171, lost by 10 runs. First loss, that was pretty bad for them. Okay, let's get ahead with RCB. We all know they had the match in their hand, and then RCB somehow pulled it back so well thanks to Harshal Patel and Mohammad Siraj. They lost it over there. Coming to the third match, Mumbai Indians. They should have won it. I mean, chasing 150 in Chennai, they were in good position, Bairstow hitting for them in the front, and then David Warner run out by Hardik Pandya, and they would have been, they are still in shock, I guess, about the Mumbai defeat. Go ahead, win a match against Punjab, 1 win in 4, they look in pretty good spot. Again, they struggled to chase 120 against Punjab as well. They took the match till 18th over. Okay, I understand चेन्नई का पिच है, स्लो बॉल आ रहे हैं, बैट पे बॉल नहीं लग रहे, but 120 you are chasing in 18 over, that's not a good sign again for your batsman. And then against Delhi Capitals, I would love to talk about this. बहुत interesting game था. Delhi Capitals hitting 159, and then Sunrisers hitting 159, and then Delhi hitting 159, and then Sunrisers chasing it down, and then a super over. Okay, all good, all fine. They somehow reached the super over. Delhi spoiled it, and then they come to bat, and then super over में batting करने के लिए comes Warner and Williamson. I mean, where is Bairstow? Bairstow is your in-form hitting batsman. He has hit in the same game. He has hit 18 ball, 36 or something, 37. The in-form man, and there was a photo, I guess, which was viral. Bairstow looking clueless. So Bairstow should have come over there. There was the first mistake by Warner in the captaincy side, and that was pretty poor. Even Warner couldn't hit the ball out. That he has come ahead of Bairstow, and they managed to hit just 5 or 6 runs maybe, and they lost it. And then again, he even took a short run over there. So bad captaincy from Warner. So coming ahead to the yesterday's match. So I'm making this video next day of CSK's match. So Warner comes and chooses to bat, and when he asked about the reason to bat, Warner says ki we haven't bat first, so we'll bat. So are you sure about whatever you're speaking, captain? So when Dhoni was asked, he said, I wanted to chase and I will chase. You have to chase in this pitch. It is a batting pitch. It is Delhi's pitch. You have to chase. The dew comes in later. And I don't know, and Warner came along, he struggled the whole 15-16 overs wherever he was. We could see the frustration in him. He wanted to hit those big shots. He comes ahead, he's missing, hitting the ball to the fielders. Very bad day for Warner again, and then CSK winning the match with their openers. Brilliant. Another thing, Manish Pandey coming in at number 3, and he played a good innings, no doubt from that. I'm not taking that from him. But Kane Williamson comes, hits 10 ball 24. So if you have a man in such good experience, such in good form, why don't you promote him? Why don't you promote him? Why don't you play Abdul Samad? So there are a lot of mistakes going around. There are a little bit low on confidence. Again, Warner saying that we'll bounce back. Of course they will bounce back. They are bound to. Sunrisers Hyderabad, a very good, strong team, as we said before IPL. But some things are going wrong. So let's talk about how they can better that. Like, what should be their playing 11. So they'll start with Warner and Bairstow. Of course, a good pair. Somewhere, if Warner is not feeling good, he needs a break or something, they can play Jason Roy instead. Again, it's just a possibility. He's a legend, he will come back, वो खेलेगा. But अगर you can play Jason Roy ahead of Warner. Bairstow is in good form and he's in blazing form. I say promote Kane Williamson. अच्छा खेलता है, he is a good खिलाड़ी, he is a captain. Promote Kane Williamson at number 3. Then comes Manish Pandey. Then comes Kedar Jadhav. And then I am still not getting with the possibility that why isn't Wriddhiman Saha playing? He is one of your most experienced guys. He is one of the players who is an international cap player. Maybe he cannot keep, but he is a good batsman. He can give you that explosive guns that come maybe open for you and put Bairstow back, or maybe put him after Kane Williamson. Come and go blazing guns, and he has the capability to do that. So I suggest bring back Saha, bring back Abdul Samad, and then go with Vijay Shankar, and then Bhuvaneshwar, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma and Siddharth Kaul. So they have good pace options. They have Khalil, they have Sandeep Sharma, they have Siddharth Kaul. All have brilliant experience, they all have talent. And then Bhuvaneshwar may be injured. They have Khalil Ahmed, they have Rashid Khan with the spin. Abdul Samad can spin for them. So they are on the right track. They just need that perfect playing 11, and they need some blazing performance. What Kane Williamson did in the last 2 overs yesterday, they needed it before, but he couldn't come. Warner isn't able to hit it, then maybe get out. Maybe try to hit and get out, but you have to go. Like, he played 50 runs, 50 balls. Maybe those 50 balls, 10 बॉल में विलियमसन ने और कुछ 20 रन लगा दिए होते और शायद चेन्नई को प्रॉब्लम पड़ जाता. सो बी विद द प्रॉपर प्लेइंग 11. वार्नर, बेयरस्टो, विलियमसन, पांडे, केदार जाधव, साहा, विजय शंकर. आस्क हिम टू स्टेप अप हिज परफॉर्मेंस. Bhuvaneshwar, Rashid, Sandeep Sharma and Siddharth Kaul. This will be my playing 11. Play Wriddhiman Saha. Change your attitude. Some small changes, and I'm very sure that Sunrisers Hyderabad can come back to the top or somewhere in the middle and not stay in the last. Thank you for listening.